What is happening, y'all? Back with another video at the storage. This is my second video, but today we're doing the suspension. Dude, it's only 5. It's crazy how dark it gets. Is that a drone, dog? I'm just playing. It's a plane or some shit. It's definitely not the moon, but something. Whatever. But yeah, today we're doing the suspension because it definitely needs it. The rear. Literally just with my hand, I can. It's like the car's on hydraulics. Yeah, there's way too much bounce in there, so I gotta fix that. Got my BC Racing Coilovers right here, handy dandy, brand spanking new. Yeah, I already opened the box, whatever. So I've had these for a while, but the reason why I haven't been able to put them on is because of this bottom piece right here. On the suspension, it has like a rear eye mount, and I've actually just got those in from my peeps over at BC Racing. And this is what we're working with. So we got these. This is just the rear. I mean, I gotta do the fronts too, but this is just the main piece I needed because you can obviously see 2 completely different parts, so that wouldn't fit. So I'm gonna swap these over really quick, and then I'm going to get the car jacked up and then get ready to get everything on. I'm not gonna time lapse. It's low-key doing too much. I've never really done YouTube before. I definitely want to get into doing like clean edits and videos and stuff like that, but it's gonna take time. And bam, super simple. Got them both on there. It's brand spanking new, and these are the old ones. If anybody has an R34, because I know it's on the feet today. Ooh, had to. It's that time of year. But yeah, no, if anybody has an R34, I know they're more and more people are starting about to own them now out here. So if you guys need these, have zero use for them, and BC Racing doesn't want them. Brand new. I've never put them on the car or anything, obviously, and I don't need them. So if you have one, shoot me a DM on Instagram or hit me up or something like that, and then I can get these over to you. But yeah, so now I just gotta slap them on here, and then I actually got some new wheels. Don't know if you can see those, but yeah, I'm gonna slap those on and then get a quick look. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. I'm out here by myself and low-key not even supposed to be doing this, but hey, brother, not fresh kicks or nothing yet, but I low-key do look up to that fool. So this is my little humble abode with the whip. So I don't know, moving into 2025, I low-key did want to take like social media a little bit more serious, because I can, there's just like there's potential there, just networking and just meeting people and just, I don't know, just interacting, and obviously the monetary gain you can also make from it as well. But I don't know, I just want to get out my comfort zone and try something new. So getting into YouTube was one of my 2025 goals. And I mean, you can't start a New Year resolution on New Year's because you're already behind, So I'm gonna get a little roadmap going. I'm gonna let you guys know kind of what my plans are and everything. And then from there, kind of get going on YouTube, bro. Because, dude, that'll be fucking sick if I can just do this for a living. I currently do sales, but this would be a way cooler job. But yeah, let me get the suspension on, and then, yeah, look at that. That's atrocious. Can't believe I've been riding around like that. But yeah, let me get that all dialed in and then show you guys what it looks like when it's all finished. Wow, guys, so I already got the first one out. It's taking me about like, I don't know, like 10-ish minutes. It's literally 3 bolts. It's 2 on the top, and then it's 2 12s, and then 1 17 right here. But look at this blown one. This shit is absolutely fried. This is literally a 25-year-old suspension. But yeah, here's the new one. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm probably just gonna extend this one just so it's like OEM ride height for right now, because I am putting bigger wheels on the car. So I'm probably just gonna do like OEM ride height for right now and then adjust from there, because there's currently OEM 17s and those are 18s. I'll show you those once everything's put together. But yeah, finish this up and then I'm gonna tackle the fronts. Shouldn't take me too much longer. I'd say maybe like 30-ish minutes. I'm just gonna lock in and knock everything out, and then I'll kind of show you guys the finished product. But yeah, stay tuned. Just like that, it's the next day. So I got the suspension on. I didn't put the wheels on yet because the other wheels are a little bigger than these. These are 17s, the other ones are 18s. These are 235s and the other ones are 255s. So the fronts, it was rubbing on the front spindle, just literally just sitting on the car straight. So I definitely needed to resize those before I can actually just run them on the car. But I did want to just get a quick video up, and then that'll probably be like a next episode I put out, because I'm just starting on YouTube, and I don't know, I just want to get some type of content out there, and then slowly but surely like up my game, and then have all my followers and stuff who are joining my journey with me, who can kind of be along for the road, you know, because life is all about just trusting the process and seeing how the journey takes you, you know. So I just wanted to try something new, put something out there, and I mean, I'm looking at doing this kind of stuff every day anyway, so I might as well at least record it, right? So what do you guys think of the build idea I got going on and what I'm showing you guys? Should I go for something a little bit more aggressive, or should I just keep it simple and clean? Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I mean, build plans pretty much what's like near up in the future. Definitely I'm gonna be upgrading the wheels, big brakes. I want to dial in the front bumper. It's currently up by zip ties. Do not roast me, please. I have some brackets. When I originally had the car, they sit about right here. They were crashed when I got it, and they're pretty broken. So I have my guy James, he's helping me out. He's welding those up for me, making them look OEM and right, just so I can have the bumper sit there. I know the fender, this bumper fitment is kind of shoddy, but I do have GTR V-Spec vented, corner vented fenders for this car that I'm going to be completing the whole GTR front end, because these are the GTR OEM front bumper, and that's the, I believe, V-Spec hood. So yeah, I'm going to be completing that, and then I don't know what I'm going to do for the color yet. I kind of want to just touch it up and get it all black again, but I do plan on repainting the whole car a different color. So I'm not too sure how I want to do that. I don't know if it's going to be enough work for me to paint the front end black just to match the car and like touch up the rust spots and stuff like that, because there's just a little bit of rust underneath and stuff like that as well that I'd have to address. But I mean, it's nothing crazy, you know. I mean, this car is 25 years old and it snows out in Japan, so you got to keep in mind the salt roads and stuff like that out there. So I mean, looking at little rust and stuff like that, I mean, it is obviously not beautiful to look at, but I mean, it makes sense, you know, and there are definitely worse cars. So yeah, pretty much the vision plan for this series. I don't know if I want to call the series, but kind of like my goal for this, I'm looking at, I want to do the wheels, I want to do the brakes, and then from there I'm gonna put the fenders on, and then I'm gonna I am gonna just do the body work, make it like a nice clean canvas, so when I get ready to wide body it and all that kind of stuff, it's just ready for me to go, and then just take you guys along for the journey with me. But I don't know, I'm just trying something new. I want to see what you guys think. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. Yeah, so this is pretty much how it's looking, and then I'll let you know. If you guys love the build, if you guys simply just love a good Nissan or Skyline, feel free to like and also subscribe so you can't miss out on any updates on the future episodes on what we got going on. Next week, I plan on uploading weekly. I'm going to be putting the wheels on, brakes, GTR fenders, side skirts, paint, wing. I'm going to fully build the car, so definitely stay tuned to see what I got going on.